Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
Woof, woof, wag your tail. Run, run, down the trail. Happy doggy jumps so high. Bark, bark, hello blue sky. Woof, woof, wag your tail. Spin, spin, round and say, happy doggy full of cheer. Smiles and cuddles everywhere. Sun is up, let's start the day. Happy doggy loves to play. Chasing butterflies, sniffing ground. Barking joy in every sound. Fetch the ball, zoom away. Happy doggy loves the day. Catch it quick, bring it back. Tail goes wagging, ears go flap. Woof, woof, flag your tail. Fun, fun, fun to shell. Happy doggy jumps so light. What, what, hello blue side. Kitten stuck, don't you fear. Happy doggy's always near. Paws and courage, strong and kind. Helping friends, he's quick to find. After play, he finds his bed, soft and warm for his head. Dreams of bones and fields so wide. Happy doggy sleeps with pride. What was thunby tail? Thun, blood, thun shell. Happy doggy full of chill, spreading dawn to all souls.